Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make meat and potato pie. It's a simple recipe and no need to pre-cook the pie filling. Let's make the pastry first. Some all-purpose flour, a little salt, sift flour and salt into the mixing bowl. Transfer them into the food blender. Add some cold unsalted butter. You will have fine crumbs. I'm making the fluid mixture. We need egg, then add cold water until the weight is 100 grams. Give it a good whisk. Sprinkle the fluid mixture over the crumbs. Mix to stiff, crumbly-looking paste. Slightly knead until smooth and crack-free. Cover the dough with a piece of cling film. Let the dough chill in the fridge for an hour. While waiting, let's make the pie filling. Chop some inside skirt steak. Then slice some beef liver. If you don't like it, kidney or steak can be a substitute. Chop the medium-sized yellow onion. Some Yukon gold potatoes. Some salt. And black pepper. Mix them well. The pie filling is finished. Let's assemble the pie. For my recipe, I used a 9-inch diameter pie dish. Grease the pie by vegetable oil or butter. Then sprinkle some flour. Remove the pie dish. The mark shows me how big I will roll out my dough. At this point, we can prepare the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. The dough is ready. Break off 1/3 for the lid and the rest will be the base. Roll out the dough to make a 3 mm thickness. The bottom pastry is ready. Adjust it to fit the pie dish. Prick the pastry with a fork. Add the pie filling to the pie dish. Roll out the dough off the lid to make a 3 mm thickness. Put the lid on. Then press edges well together to seal. Trim off the extra piece. This is how I crimp the pie. Brush some egg wash. Stick the pie to make some pie vents. First, bake the pie for 20 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit. Then lower the temperature to 325 and bake for another 45 minutes. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this meat and potato pie cost me $13.75. I'm going to enjoy my meat and potato pie. Thanks for watching my video.